Hey guys, Andrew Plies here with MarineMax on Lake Lanier. We are on board one of our brand new boats, just got in. It's a 2026 Sylvan M-5. This is the top of the line Sylvan. Does not get any better than this. Super excited to walk you guys through this one. This one's going to be finished with our carbon fiber exterior. So the full carbon fiber, the full fencing on this boat is full woven carbon fiber, so super cool look, super unique. There's not a lot of boats out there that are like it. Starting back here on the swim platform back here, this boat is going to be powered with a Mercury V10 Verado. This is actually going to be paint matched to the powder coated tunes that you'll see on the bottom. So another thing to mention back here, you are going to have a lily pad upgraded ladder, so that just makes getting on and off the boat really simple, whether you have young kids with you or even your furry little friends out there on the water. You are also going to have a fully powder coated enclosure back here with port and starboard side doors. And then this boat is in the SLZ layout, so beautiful blue interior, and then this is a super modular setup, one of the probably the most modular setup in the Sylvan lineup. You're going to have 3 different swing back chairs that have 3 different positions, so you can either sit forward, aft, or if you wanted to, you can flip this down all the way. Lift this up, and now you have a rear-facing lounger, and it will be the same thing on the starboard side as well. You're also going to have a nice table, so this will actually fold down, so if you're moving in and out of the boat, makes getting in and out really simple, or if you want to, bring out some chips and crackers and feed the kids, or have a little wine night, this is a perfect table to do so. All right, moving forward, this is going to have a matching power tower with the carbon fiber weave that you can see here. You are going to have JL audio system speakers on the tower here. And then it will have a bimini as well. So with a push of a button, again, this boat can drop the tower, whether you're needing to get under a low clearance bridge or fit into your lift, push of a button, tower will come down, makes it super simple. And then here is your 3rd swing back chair. Here at our helm station, really nice upgraded captain's chair with a flip up bolster. This boat is going to have a Mercury digital throttle and shift for that 400 V10. Upgraded steering wheel on this boat, digital dash. This one has a ultra wide Simrad multifunction display, so that'll give you everything from your RGB lighting package to your Mercury data, your depth finder, as well as your chart plotter. Another thing to mention that this boat is, or the helm station is on a raised helm with RGB lighting on the base. Moving forward into the bow of the boat, you are going to have in-floor storage. And then really nice, long, comfortable loungers up here in the bow with the 25-foot boat. This is really where you're going to feel a lot of that space is up here in the bow. So you can fit a ton of people on here, pack as many people on as you want, and you'll be comfortable. One more thing I wanted to mention. I did talk a little bit about the carbon fiber exterior, but here you can get a really good look at it. And then you are going to have some RGB lighting here in the Sylvan logo, as well as on the port and starboard exterior of the boat. So guys, there's a ton more to check out on this boat. This is an amazing boat, probably my favorite boat in the Sylvan lineup. So if you're interested in it or you'd like some more information, just visit us online at marinemax.com. Or if you'd like to set up a private showing, visit us here at MarineMax in Baldridge Marina.